We are back. Hey everybody, we're back. It's been a minute. Life threw us a few curveballs, multiple illness, snowbirding adventures, and family stuff that just needed our full attention. So the channel went quiet while we took care of what mattered most. But we're still here, a little battered, a little wiser, and honestly, pretty excited to show you what we've been up to. This past year has been full of big moves and small victories. We started with an off-grid travel trailer, thinking it would open up some adventures, and it did, for about 5 minutes. We quickly traded it in for a fifth-wheel toy hauler that better fits the way we actually live and work out here. Then the real work began. We cleared what felt like 1,000 stumps with a 5-ton excavator we rented. Gravel trucks rolled in, and we prepped the ground for 2 20-foot shipping containers. Those containers now hold the last of our old life that was sitting in storage. Downsizing has been refreshing, but you still need the practical stuff, especially the kitchen tools for processing harvests when the garden and the wild start producing. Speaking of the garden, we finally expanded it the way we'd always planned. Fruit trees went in, more berry bushes, everything we actually love to eat. We threw it together in a hurry, and somehow it still flourished. The hummingbirds and pollinators have been all over it, and we're still a little amazed at how well it came together. Okay. We've also kept clearing land for future expansion and for a better safety perimeter. That work never really stops out here. On the animal side, we needed chickens. Well, we wanted chickens. An Amish neighbor had some layers ready to go, so we built a coop in record time. Well, Chris built the coop. Those girls were already producing for us immediately. Collecting their eggs with enough to give several dozen to our family feels magical. And we've been eating from the garden all summer. There's something deeply satisfying about that. The greenhouse is still a work in progress. With the late spring frost we sometimes get, we're going to need it for seed starting next season. It's on the list. And then there was hunting season. Chris got his very first spring bear solo right from the hunt stand he built himself on our property. We honestly couldn't believe how many bears were roaming and mating around us this year. It was a constant reminder that we share this land with some serious neighbors. Multiple flues tried their best to take us out, but we're not dead yet. I've already started saving flower seeds, and new garlic varieties are on their way for fall planting. Very exciting. Next year's garden is already taking shape in our heads, and it's going to be bigger and better. So yeah, we're back. The land is changing, the garden is growing, the animals are settled, and we're still figuring it out one project at a time. Thanks for sticking with us. We've got a lot more to share. Welcome back to the chaos and the good life. Whew. It's hot today. It's supposed to be a high of 19, but we've been out since it was 5 degrees. And I just came inside. Look at me, I look like an old lady. The bugs are horrible out there. If I'm not sleeping, I've been gardening.
Yeah. Ready, set, action. Oh, good girl.
I was waiting. It's an obstacle course for her. It's sturdy.
Yeah,
oh.
Very.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like a bench.
It is. This one's sturdy. Oh, okay. Sorry, I need one hand to brace and one hand to...
Be a filmographer.
Just filming. I can't believe how many, like there's like gotta be 20 to 50 logs in here that look purposefully felled.
Cedar.
And cedar, which is crazy. It's like,
God,
if we can't have the cedar, nobody can.
I don't think these ones were good enough for them.
Really? Or maybe they cracked when they fell or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Willow.
They're very sad. They had to take this down, but the tree was dead. For the rift. So, but we've been wanting to clear all around the cabin. Sweaty work.
Yeah.
Summer days.
Hot day.
Yeah, we've been getting some good sunshine. This is from that other stump, right?
Yeah, this is the double stump.
Oh,
This one and
that stump was crazy.
They were attached.
Look at that. Is that what is that? Is that a hornet? I don't know what that is.
They were attached
Sorry.
at the base.
Yeah. Video.
Action. We literally have wood everywhere. Skids of it here, piles of it there, piles of it there, piles of it over there, and a whole bunch still on the ground.
Oh, yeah. Those gotta come down. Filming while riding, not easy on the trails. Charlie's Angels. It's the shadow. Looks like Charlie's Angels. Where's Willow? Where's Willow?